Standing here with Alex Kaplan of the Hudson Companies in front of the RI logo sign. Alex, can you tell me what this is all about, please?
Yeah, so this is part of our new signage and wayfinding system. So this is one piece of it. It's our welcome monument. We have two other pieces, signposts and kiosks, so maps that will be placed around the island. They're in design right now, and we'll be prototyping them this fall. What we're doing here today is testing it out, testing the positioning, seeing the angles, and hopefully some more people will come out and tell us what you think.
And the point is we're to become a welcoming landmark, a gathering place for people, a good photo op for Manhattan in the background. And again, as Alex was saying, we're testing it for location, positioning. The fabricators will be checking out the underground soil conditions and all of that sort of thing. And the color. We realize that this color needs to be adjusted. That's the whole point of mock-ups.
This is not the final, this is a mock-up. So there's a material change in the final, and as Chris mentioned, we'll be adjusting things that we want to see change after today. So this is not the final.
Is it the approximate height?
Yeah, it's the same scale with dimensions.
Okay, any issue regarding pedestrian traffic?
That's what we're going to be looking out for today. Yeah.
Okay, all right, great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.